if you're trying to put lines in your yard, I got a Skag Turfed Tiger. I end up making a striper, and it works out pretty good. So here you go. I end up being using the original bolt holes right here, just like these right here. These was already here, so I didn't have to drill no holes whatsoever. I put a 1/2 inch flat bar with a piece of angle on the back, and I bolted the 1/2 inch rubber, and it's touching the grass. And I did the same over here. Very, very simple to do. So I'll show you what it looks like, what it does to your yard. I made this last year, and I just started my own YouTube page. Please subscribe. Check it out. So this is this angle here. Ends up being pretty good. I'll show you the other way. So it looks good at both angles. And they come out pretty dark. Very simple to do, and it don't cost that much. I probably got 25 bucks in it. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thanks.